Friends, under the lecture series for preparation for NET paper 1, that is general paper, today we are going to discuss about mathematical reasoning. Many people think it's like difficult, time consuming, but keep in mind, if you prepare well, if you use tricks, ideas, then definitely this question will give you all 10 marks. You can solve all 5 questions within the period of less than 10 minutes. So it is required to see the tricks, to make proper preparation. Then mathematics is not difficult at all. In this particular question of mathematical reasoning, when I went through last 5 years question papers of NET exam, SET exam, 80 to 85%, even 90% questions I found on these 7 different concepts or 7 different things. First was coding decoding, second direction, then permutation and combination, then ratios, average mean, relationships and number series. We are going to discuss about each of these 7 one by one with example. First, I like to discuss with you about letter coding and decoding. Friends, you know certain secrets if you want to share, that time you are required to code it. If you are in some other country, maybe at jail, someone is keeping watch on you, then you have to share some information. Then in coded language you can share. So coding is very much important in our life. Here in exam, letter coding as well as number coding is asked. We have to decode the code asked and make code as per that. Now when we see letter coding, there are 26 letters in English, A to Z. All of us are knowing that alphabets. But many people are not knowing their number, A1, Z26, E5, like that. We have to by heart those number 1 to 26 for A to Z. It will save our time while decoding and encoding. Then, if you are not able to by heart those 1 to 26 number, another trick is there. For E it is 5, J it is 10, O 15, T 20, Y 15, Y 25. So what we have to do is, we have to just keep in mind those 5 numbers. Then if you asked C, then what you will do? E is 5, so D is 4, C is 3. First, if you ask G, E is 5, F is 6, G is definitely 7. Slightly time saving. Like that should be there. Then there is letter coding decoding. See one example by analogy how we can do. GALXY code is BCDCLO. Galaxy's code is BCDCLO. Silver SILVR code is HMDNUZ. When such question you see, first we have to see whether all the letters in the question asked are in given code. SAVAGE, whether they are there. Yes, in silver S is there, A is there in galaxy, V is there in silver, A is there in galaxy, G is there in galaxy and E is there in silver. Then what you will do? You have to code directly. S. What is used for S in silver? H. What is used for A in galaxy? C. 2, 2, 1, 1. Like that number in word and in code you have to see. For V, what is used? Fourth number. HMD, N is used. For A, what is used? GA, second B, C, C. Then for G, what is used? B. For E, what is used? Second last in silver. Second last in silver is U. So code for SAVAGE is HCNCBU. Like that coding decoding used. Okay. When such type of coding by analogy is not available, then you can use another method. There is also split by half. Means what? A to M 1 to 13, N to Z 14 to 26. Like that is there. But how you have to write A to M? Upside. Z to N downside. Means you have to like that. You have to write Z below A, B below Y. Means from starting 1 to 13 numbers, from end 1 to 13 numbers. M is 13 from start, N is 13 from end. Like that you can also keep in mind. Then grammar based coding you use if analogy is not there. What is grammar based coding? 26 letters in English. Out of that 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. Remaining 21 are consonants. Let me give you example. Code for apple, A-P-P-L-E, is given B-O-O-K-F, and we have to find code of O-R-A-N-G, orange. Now what trick is used here? For A code is B, for P code is O, for P code is O, for L code is key, for K, for E code is F. Now when we see, for A it is B, for vowel it is +1, for P it is O, for consonant it is -1. For vowel next letter is used, for consonant letter before the letter is used. Now same, for O it is vowel, next letter P, for R it is consonant, letter before it Q, for A vowel B, for N consonant, letter before it M, for G consonant, letter before it F, E vowel, next letter F. So code for ORANG is PQBMFF. Very clear. Then friends, then another trick is there, letter coding decoding by shifting. COURAC course is coded as FRXUVH. Then we have to code RACE, that is RES. How you will code? Very simple. How you will code? Now you have seen first method, second method, both are not working. Then we have to go towards this third method, that is shifting. From C and F relation. If you add 3 in C, F comes DEF. Like that for O. 3 add PQR. U 3 add VWX. R STU. S TUV. E FGH. Means in course in each letter if you add 3, your code get FRXUVH. Now in this pattern, for consonant, for vowel, different coding is not there, same coding is there. +3 means everywhere +3, +5, +5, -2, -2, -3, -3, like that. So now we have to code RES. How? R +3 STU U, A +3 D, C +3 DEF, E +3 FGH. Like that coding we can make. Then I like to go towards next part after letter coding. The next part after letter coding which I like to discuss with you is number coding. Now when we say number coding, I am given here word hotel. Now hotel word is coded as 60 and we have to calculate the code of another word, that is crore, CROI. Now in hotel 60, how? From start each letter's number we have to see. H from starting it is 8th, O it is 15, T it is 20, E it is 5, L it is 12. Make total. 15 plus 8, 23 plus 20, 43 plus 5, 48 plus 12, 60. Okay. Same method for crore we have to apply. C 3, R 18, O from start it is 15, R from start take 18, E from start 5, 3 plus 18, 21 plus 15, 36, plus 18, 54 plus 5, 59. So code for crore is 59. Like that is coding made. First we have to decode the code, then we have to encode the code. First understand the code, as per that make code. Another method is there. Now, if you want to increase number, instead of 60 some other number you want there for hotel, you can multiply, you can add. If you want to decrease number, you can subtract, you can use division, that is also there. Now here for hotel code is 300. What will be the code of crore? Now for hotel it is 300. You know it is 60 in our last example. Now how it becomes 300? If we multiply 60 with 5, then what we get? We get 300. Same way, if we use code for crore, it is 59 by our last method. Now for hotel multiplied by 5, so for crore also multiply by 5, 59 into 5, so 295. Like that is number coding used. So after letter coding and number coding, let us go towards directions. Now when we say directions, see in the chart, upside it is north, downside south, west is there, east is there. Between north and east there is northeast. Then between east and south there is southeast. Between west and south there is southwest. Between north and west there is northwest. Such directions you are knowing, 8 directions. Sometimes from where to where person walks, goes. For that Pythagoras theorem we are using. Pythagoras theorem is applicable to right angle triangle, and the theorem is square of hypotenuse equals to sum of squares of other two sides. So if ABC is right angle triangle, then its hypotenuse is AC. So AC square equals to square of both sides, that is AB square plus BC square. By using that also we can calculate distance. That is slight difficult example, but we can solve. Let's take first of all simple example to identify direction. Now A is at the south of R and to the west of T. So A we wrote. Thereafter A is to the south of R. So A is at south, so R should be upside. Then west of T means T should be at right hand side, because A is at left hand side. Then P is there, and P is south of A. South of A means downside of A. So in one line R, A, P are there, and T is at right hand side of A. Now what we have to do? We have to find out at which direction P with respect to R. P with respect to T, not R. T and P, C. If we make straight line between T and A, west will be there. Downside from T we take line, it will be south. So between west and south, P is standing, so it is southwest. Like that is calculation. Let us go towards next, that is permutation and combination. Friends, for permutation, factorial is used, like our factorial sign is given in the slide. Let's see. Then there is formula for calculation of permutation. What is formula? Permutation equals to n factorial upon in bracket n minus r bracket complete factorial. Like that is formula. Let us see one example. There are 3 history books, 4 maths books, 2 geography books. Arrange books of same group together. How many ways you can use? Now 3 history books, so 3 factorial ways. 3 into 2 into 1. 3 factorial means. 4 maths book. So 4 factorial ways. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Geography book. 2 geography books. So 2 factorial. 2 into 1. Like that ways we can use for group. If we make same group together, then what will happen? First history 3 into 2 into 1 into maths 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into geography 2 1 into 2. Like that will happen. This is what is known as permutation, on which questions are asked. Let us go towards next, that is questions related with ratios. Now friends, on ratios, questions are usually asked, and that questions we can solve by easy manner. We can convert ratios into fractions, percentages, all that is there. Let us see one example so we'll understand. Question is asked in December 2019 NET examination. 2 numbers are in ratio of 3:7. Ratio is 3:7 in 2 numbers. If 8 is added to these 2 numbers, if we add 8 in both of these numbers, new ratio will be 5:9. Find out numbers. Now see. All of us are knowing from school days in mathematics, if you are not knowing something, we take it as x. So x, what will be the first number? First ratio see, 3:7. So first number is 3x, second number is 7x. If we are adding in both numbers, some ratio we are getting 5:9. If we add 8 in 3x and if we add 8 in 7x, what we get? 5/9. So 3x plus 8 means 5 and 7x plus 8 means 9. So 3x plus 8 upon 7x plus 8 is equal to 5/9. Old ratio plus something, new ratio. Now make cross multiplication. 3x plus 8 into 5. 3x plus 8 into 9, cross multiplication. So 9 3s are 27x plus 8 9s are 72 is equal to, now 7x plus 8 should be multiplied by 5. 8 into 7, see, 7 into 5, 35x plus 8 into 5, 40. Now from 35x, 27x minus, you will get 8x is equal to 72 minus 40, 32. So 8 4s are 32. So x is equal to 4, means 3x is equal to 3 into 4, 12. 7x equal to 7 into 4, 28. So your answer is 12 and 28. Like that you have to solve questions based on ratio. Let us go towards next, average or mean. There is also formula. Now keep in mind, instead of hard work, now this period is of smart work, T20 period. Instead of bookish excellent cricketing shots, Players are using improvisation. Like that improvisation we have to make in certain formulas to crack our net set examination. Now, what is formula for mean? Sum of all observation divided by number of observations. Certainly improvise it and use it for our examples. One simple example I will take here. Total of 4 number A, B, C, D is 50. If C is 35, then find mean of other 3 numbers. Now keep in mind, mean means sum of all observations. Mean you are knowing? No. So mean is X. Now X is equal to, what is total? 50, but it is of 4. What is C's value? 35. 50 minus 35. That is sum divided by, what is number of things given? A, B, C, D, 4. But 1 we made minus. So here also 1 we have to deduct. 4 minus 1. So X equals to 50 minus 35, 15 divided by 4 minus 1, 3. So your answer is X is equal to 15 divided by 3, so 5. Like that, mean or average we can use. Then go towards next, that is questions based on blood relationships. First generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation relationships are there. When we say first generation, grandmother, grandfather, maternal grandmother, maternal grandfather. Second generation, mother, father, uncle, aunt, maternal aunt, maternal uncle. Third generation, self, sister, sister-in-law, brother, brother-in-law, all that. When we say fourth generation, son, daughter, nephew, niece, all that are there. Let us see one example. Introducing a girl, the boy said that she is the daughter of my aunt. How the girl is related to boy? One boy is saying, one girl is there and she is my aunt's daughter. Now aunt's daughter means what? Maybe maternal aunt's daughter, maybe paternal aunt's daughter, but definitely aunt's daughter means cousin. So your answer should be cousin. Like that, this was simple. Some complex questions may appear, but we can solve by knowing this chart of relationships and our common sense. Let us go towards last part, that is number series. Now when we say number series, there are multiplication, square cube series, addition, subtraction series, prime number series, many things are there. What is multiplication? See in the series 3, 9, 27, 81. What common factor is there? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. In this series, every next number is multiplied by first number, that is 3. Then square or cube series. 1, 4, 27, 16, question mark, 36, 343. Now 1 cube, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 cube, 27, 4 square, 16, question mark is there, 6 square, 36, 7 cube, 343. Now 1 cube, 2 square, 3 cube, 4 square. Definitely 5 should be cube, 5 cube, 125 should be your answer. Then 6 square is there and 7 cube is there. Like that sequence we have to decode. Then addition, subtraction. 3, 11, 23, 39. What is there? 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 12, 23. 23 plus 16, 39. Now 8, 12 and 16 are used. Means first 8 is given, then we are adding 4 to 8, 12. Adding 4 to 12, 16. Like that double type addition subtraction series is there. Then prime number series 8, 15, 26, 39, 56. Means what? 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 11, 26. 26 plus 13, 39. 39 plus 17, 56. Means 7, 11, 13, 17. Those prime numbers are added in each of the number for this series. That sequence we have to keep in mind. Like that number series are there. After analyzing last 5 years question paper, these 7 types of questions are usually asked. That what I got from that my study. So Those question types I discussed here, how to solve I discussed here, some simple questions I have taken. For many questions, solutions on these particular 7 types, for some complex example, difficult example, and for proper preparation, next video I am going to upload. To get that video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my humble request. Then another thing is that whether you like this lecture, like it, comment it, share with your friends. On my WhatsApp groups, Telegram group, I am sharing questions on mathematical reasoning. To get that, join my WhatsApp group and Telegram groups. I like to stop here. Have nice time. Crack SETNET exam. Don't take tension, but use tricks for maths. Thank you.